To improve the performance of Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. This guide will help you adjust settings and configurations for better performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum or recommended system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to download and install the latest drivers for optimal performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. Disable VSync and reduce the anti-aliasing settings to improve frame rates. Step 4. Close background applications. Before starting the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 5. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to the Control panel, select System, and then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for Best Performance to disable visual effects that may hinder game performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.